Hi guys, Rieta here from M5 Property Addicts. So I'm out here today. I'm very excited. We started the renovation at one of our 26 bed student accommodation properties in Belleville. It's just down the road from Sunlam and from Northlink College. So very excited to finally start. It's been quite some time in the making, but we're here now, yay! So some great news. I'm just going to quickly take you through some of the progress that we've been able to make. It's just about day 4 now. So we started on the outside. How we're planning to do it is there's 2 houses on the property. The one house is we're going to put about 14-16 students in there, and then in this one here that you can see, this one is going to have about we calculated about 18 students, so it's not 26. I think I said 26 earlier. It's a bit more. It's like more like a 32, 34 type of setup. So yes, so let's take a walk and I can quickly show you what we're doing here. Alright, so as you can see, we did quite a lot of digging around the house. So one of the things when we went to see this property, when we saw it, we had quite a lot of cracks, but before we bought it we got an engineer just to give us a proper report on it, and he said we have to open up the foundation, see what's going on and all that there. So we are busy with that now. What we found was quite encouraging, because mainly the main problem is just that the building work was a bit crap when they extended the property. So that we're going to fix up. And then just one little stupid thing that we found is that you can see from the neighbor's yard, here's the neighbors over here, there used to be quite a number of really big trees. You can see there in the back there, over there, and one here, and those trees' roots have basically come and they've went into the property over here. So you can see there is the actual big piece of root that's going into that crack up there. But you can also see the different types of bricks that the guys use. So these are those big cement blocks, those are normal bricks. So there's no tie-in of the bricks of any kind, so that's why there were some cracks and things on the inside of the house. So we're going to be fixing all of that up, and then some changes to the gutters and things as well. There's a bit of water damage, and that's because the gutters and so on there were not enough downpipes and the guttering was done a bit bad. So we're going to be fixing that up as well. So this is the outside of the property. Just going to walk around. So we also took out all this wooden things that used to be the border between us and the neighbors over there, which we started to take out. Hi Abby!
How's it going?
And we will be finishing that up, and we're going to start the wall, doing the wall soon. Abby's already got the quotes and everything in place. So I'm going to show you on the other side of the house. Yeah, that's the other house I was talking about, where we're going to have about 14 or 16 students. This is the one that we started with. We also started to open up the roof just to make sure everything is happy there. And then guess what we discovered? We discovered that there's actually a slab under that roof. So now we have the option to actually go up another story. Just need to do the plans and so on, but the hard work, the slab is already in there. We can reuse the roof trusses, we can reuse the tiles and all of that. So that was a very nice pleasant discovery that we had just there. You can see here the guys also just started to open up the cracks and things that were on this side of the house, but nothing too serious that we can't fix. This is the front of the house. But yeah, we just started on the outside. We did the planning for the inside now, and the guys are busy doing their thing. guys, so that is the start of the project. Very excited, and you know, subscribe to our YouTube channel and to get more updates of this specific property and to see all the other things that we're up to. So I'm on my way now to Joburg to go and play with my properties over there. So see you guys soon. Bye.